In this video, we're going over how you can play Fortnite split screen here on a PS5. Before we can dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you don't know, you can actually play Fortnite split screen on your PS5 with either two PS5 controllers or one PS5 controller and one 4 controller. Here's exactly how to set it up. Now you are going to need two PSN accounts on your PS5 to go ahead and play this, each linked to separate Epic Games accounts. For this example, I have this one and then I have this one as well. You don't need PlayStation Plus on them, you just need two PlayStation accounts, so keep that in mind. Now if you are using a PS4 controller, you're still going to need a PS5 controller to launch Fortnite. The PS4 controller only works with the PS4 version of Fortnite on a PlayStation 5. Now from your PlayStation 5, go ahead and launch Fortnite on your main account. This will take a second to load, but once you do load in, you're going to see your main account in the lobby automatically. Once you do get into Fortnite, go ahead and log in with your second controller by pressing the PlayStation button on your second controller and then selecting the PSN account that Epic Games is linked to. If it's not linked, you'll be prompted to create one, and once logged in, you'll see that player join the lobby. As you can see, it looks exactly like this. It's pretty cool. Now, in order to go ahead and do split screen, you do got to keep in mind that it only works in duos or squads. So if you do have solo selected, split screen isn't going to be active. But if you do want to use a PS5 and PS4 controller rather than two PS5 controllers, you are going to need to install the PS4 version of Fortnite. And you're going to see both the PS5 and PS4 versions available when downloading. And you'll have to open up the PS4 version in order to use that DualShock 4 controller. But that's it. You can now play Fortnite split screen on a PS5 with either two PS5 controllers or one PS5 controller and one PS4 controller with the PS4 version of Fortnite. If this video guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and let us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.